Buona giornata. Ciao. And you can see how steep the road is up here. Veritable paradise, eh? Here's Dave. David. Skyman. Lovely little lake. A little pond. Lots of Germans by the looks of things. David, mi fai una foto in un minuto? Put my shoe covers back on. Ma che bella. Oh, look at that. Wow. There goes Giorgio. There's European wasps everywhere. Well, we are in Europe, but anyway. And now for the fun, I hope. See if we can crank up any creaky. Oh, Jesus. He can't fit. This is nice, but unfortunately I got Giorgio in front of me, making it a bit awkward. Jesus. Let him go. Oh, he's gone. Beauty. Yeah, we've got the creakies happening again with this bottom bracket. You've got to be really careful. Blind corners, absolutely blind. Can't see what's coming around me. Back wheel skidding out a bit. I feel empty again. What a calorie burn. Here comes a couple of motorbikes. Sure we don't bump into anything. Man, that band-aid under the helmet sure came in handy. Feeling a touch cold. Didn't even see that one. Bloody hell. Almost felt like my front wheel's going to drop into it. Big hole or something. Here we go, number one. Not much room, that's for sure. Dave's just back there. Definitely want a decent bit of clearance on your motorbike to come up here. Cop this for a switchback. Oh God. Have a look how steep that is. David, ma guarda la pendenza. Look how steep it is. Man, this is one technical descent, man. Bloody hard. And we got a little bit, open up here a bit. Oops, something's coming. Wow, look at that, Rishi. Yo! Cross-country skis up here. Wow, that'd be tough on the quads, glutes. with the shadowing, I can't see if there's any bad bumps or anything, so get riders. Buongiorno. Buongiorno, how are you? Hey. I've got 2 zippers right on my Adam's apple. That's feeling really nice. But I don't dare take my hands off these brakes to make any adjustment. Oh God, I would not want to come up this climb in this other direction. It is mean. Bloody hell. Glorious environment, eh? Look at this. So let's ease up a bit here. Can't get over. Jesus. Bugger this. I need more gearing. Sorry about the noise. Jesus, these blind bends that come up on you suddenly are quite nasty. Can be nasty. GPS is not working. It's not showing any acceleration. In fact, it's slowing me. I'm going down. Ah, now it's showing 55. Oh. Not much acceleration. Come on, come on. There's Dave. $60, $61, $2. Oh, he's behind us actually. We better wait here then. Aspettiamo qui. Aspettiamo qui. Va bene, we're gonna stop here. Oh. For whom the bell tolls, it tolls for my back. And there's motorbikes. Castle up there. Beautiful scenery in front. Nice rock. Whatever that is. These frickin' motorbikes, man. Bloody noisy things. You can see that? Nice flow. Castle way up there. All motorbikes, no cars. Buongiorno. Beautiful little waterfall back there. Cascade. So far so good. I don't know how I'm going to handle the climb. And we're leaving the car here. Okay, it's okay. Wait for the bikes to go. Look at that. Ah, oops. Get in the middle and stop.